If you're considering airSlate for your business automation needs, there are 7 crucial things you need to know before diving in. In this video, we'll cover everything you should be aware of, especially when comparing it to other options out there, so stay tuned till the end. And hey, if you're interested, you can try airSlate for free. Just click the first link in the description below for an exclusive trial. First off, airSlate is known for its all-in-one automation platform that streamlines document workflow. It's designed to automate not just simple tasks, but complex business processes. But how does it compare to competitors like Zapier or Monday.com? While those platforms are great for general workflow automation, airSlate is laser-focused on managing documents and data workflows from start to finish. This means it's a strong contender if your business needs more than just task management. It's a great option for document-heavy industries like legal or HR. Next thing to consider, its no-code interface. airSlate prides itself on being accessible for users without a technical background. You don't need to be a developer to automate your workflows, which is a huge advantage if you want to save time and avoid the complexity of traditional programming tools. If you've tried something like Integromat or Zapier, you know that while they offer a lot of power, they sometimes require a bit of coding knowledge to truly unlock their potential. airSlate's ease of use makes it ideal for businesses of all sizes. The third thing you need to know is its integration capabilities. While airSlate excels at document management, it doesn't fall short when it comes to integrating with other software tools. It offers integrations with popular platforms like Google Drive, Salesforce, and Microsoft 365, and you can also connect with APIs to bring in other data sources. This makes it a versatile solution that can fit right into your existing tech stack without the need for custom development. Now let's talk about pricing. It's important to know upfront that airSlate isn't necessarily the cheapest option out there, especially if you're comparing it to basic tools like Google Docs or Trello. However, if you're automating a significant volume of document workflows, the cost can quickly pay for itself. And while tools like DocuSign focus more on e-signatures, airSlate offers end-to-end workflow automation, which can justify its price tag, especially for larger businesses or teams with heavy documentation needs. The fifth thing to note is its scalability. Whether you're a small team or a larger enterprise, airSlate is built to scale with your business. Unlike simpler tools that are limited in functionality as you grow, airSlate offers customizable workflows that can expand as your needs evolve. It allows you to build tailored processes for different departments, or even create enterprise-level solutions for complex organizational needs, which is something other automation platforms might struggle with. Next thing is its security and compliance features. When dealing with sensitive data, especially in industries like finance or healthcare, security is non-negotiable. airSlate takes this seriously with features like HIPAA compliance, encryption, and secure cloud storage. It's not just about automating your workflows, it's about doing so in a way that meets stringent security requirements, making it an excellent choice for businesses that need to protect customer information. Finally, let's talk about the learning curve. As with any new software, there's a bit of a learning curve with airSlate, but it's generally easier to pick up than some of its competitors. The platform offers a comprehensive set of tutorials and customer support options to help guide you through the process. While you might need a few hours to get familiar with the interface, once you've got the hang of it, it's a powerful tool that can really streamline your operations. If you're ready to try out airSlate for yourself and see how it compares to other automation platforms, be sure to click the first link in the description below. You'll get the best free trial and some exclusive benefits, so don't miss out.